Hi there. Now, if you want to get a bit fancy with online lessons and put graphics like I've just done down here, so you can show pupils what you're doing and they can see you talking through it, there is a way, obviously, because I'm doing it now. I would recommend downloading a free piece of software called OBS. It's OBS. It's free. If you Google it, it'll come up straight away. It's used in broadcasting, and it's really high quality. There's lots you can do. It's a piece of open source software, which means that you can get access to how it works and alter that. Now that's very advanced, but the beauty of something which is open source is that people constantly will develop it and add new things which you can use yourself for free. So if you get proficient with it, you can then start searching for other little tricks you might want to be able to do with it, and probably someone's thought of it and done it for you. But anyway, let me show you how to do it. So you install OBS, and then I'm not going to get too complex here. I just want to keep it quite simple. Ignore that first box if you keep it simple. The second box is my audio mixer, just shows the sound is coming through okay. The third box is where I am getting everything on the screen from. And all you do is you click on the plus there and you choose what you want. So I've got a video capture device, which is my webcam. So I've clicked on that, and then it automatically goes to webcam. You can choose to change it, but you don't have to. So you can just click OK, and then you'll have a webcam there. I'm actually using not the computer microphone, but you can, because it's better quality if you use an external one. So I've plugged a microphone in. So I've done the same with that. That would be audio input capture. But like I say, you don't have to do that. If I didn't do that, this one here is the webcam's audio. So you would still be able to record yourself. I'm just a bit fussy. This one here is the window capture. And that's what I'm using for the web page I want to show the pupils. So what you do is you go to plus to add one, and you go to window capture. And then when you say OK, you can then select which window you have open at the moment. Now the only one I've got open is what I'm using. You can then drag it around, put it where you want it to be. And now I've got that, and the thing is, see, that's the window down there. I've made it small, so I can click it here, and I can actually move it as I go along, so I can read it on the screen and move it. So I can say to my Year 11s, okay, I've set you an editing and proofreading quiz on Google Classroom. And this is what it's going to look like. There's your title, the first question. It says read the sentence and then answer the questions that follow. See, I'm moving it's on the browser and it's moving on the screen as well. How clever am I? And so there's question one. So what you need to do is pick the word that best fits the gap. A. That makes sense? It's OBS is good. So if you want to go a little bit fancy, you can do that. You can have lots and lots of different setups as well. You can go as simple or as complicated as you wish. Setup doesn't completely work because I've no longer got the text on my laptop that I use, so that's just blank, but that would have the text scrolling like I showed you before. I can change these so that when the character speaks, the right character comes up. There's a background thing here. The family tree is important in Romeo and Juliet, working out who all the characters are. So it's a very flexible way to do quite fancy animation, to be honest with you, for this sort of online, not animation. It's basically a sort of video producer's desk. So obviously, master the basics, but then OBS is great. And I'd be very happy to help out if anyone wants me to help them out, obviously. Okay?